Yes. The question is, what is the 50th question? Question number 50. Question number 50. There are the three
There are
tabs. Yeah, I can. I can. There are there tabs A, B, C. Three tabs are there. What are the tabs? A, B, and C. Three tabs can fill a tank in 12, 15, and 20 minutes, 20 hours respectively. 20 hours means first one is a
good morning,
12.
sir.
Yes, good morning. First one is 12 and second one is 15 and third one is 20. So that respectively. If all all the pipes are open, all the pipes are open means that what all the members if work together. The time, yes, concentrate here, all the members work together or all pipes are working together means same condition, both are same. So here what to do? So here A can fill a tank in 12 hours. In A can fill in tank in 1 hour is how much? 1 by 12. Now this is similarly 1 by 15. Similarly this is 1 by 20. Now your next job is what? Add all the numbers. Next what? Add all the numbers. Now this is the answer. 12 and 15, 20. What is the LCM? LCM, what table? 2 table. 2 6 are 15 and 10. 5 table. 6, 3, 2. 3 table. 2, 1, 2. 2 table. 1, 1, 1. 10, 6, 60 is the LCM. 60 down, take the first fraction, that is 1 by 12 into 60. 12 ones are 12 fives are. First one is 5 plus 1 second fraction 1 by 15 into 60. 15 ones are 15 fours are. This is 4. Similarly, 1 by 20 into 60. 20 ones are 22 threes are. This is 3. Add the numbers. 5 plus 4, 9, 9 plus 3, 12. 12 by 60. This is the question number 50, 60. After that, what to do? Just reverse this number. 60 by 12. In 12 table, can you get the 60? Yes. At where? 12 5s are 60. So your answer is 5 hours. The meaning is that A can do a piece of work in 12 days, B can work piece of work in 15 days, and C can work in 20 days. If they work together, in how many days they can finish the work? What to do? 1 by 12 plus 1 by 15 plus 1 by 20. The answer is 5 days. In the same question, they are asking in pipes and system. A can fill a tank in 12 hours, B can fill a tank in 15 hours, C can fill a tank in 20 hours. If the three pipes are worked
Sir,
together, open together, then in how many hours they can fill? Yes,
sir, there 1 by 15 into 60 not understood, sir.
1 by 15 into 16, 15 ones are 15 fours are 15 table cancellation. Yes, then copy it fast. Take the screenshots, everybody. Don't copy that. Take the screenshots. Afterwards, you can copy.
Sir, 46th one doubts.
Yeah, I will come
Progress,
to.
sir.
I will come one by one. Yes, everybody take the screenshots.
Sir.
Ah, yes, is completed. Yes. The next, see the question. Question number 49. Question number 49. A cistern is normally filled in 8 hours. A cistern means what? A pipe can fill a tank in normally in 8 hours, but takes 2 hours longer to fill because of the leak of the bottom. What do you understood here? Actually, there is a one tank is there, and here there is a one pipe. This pipe can fill a tank, this tank in 8 hours. This tank in how many hours? 8 hours. And there are, in this tank, what happens? Here there is a one, here there is a one bottom leakage is there here. Here one leakage is there. Due to this leakage, what happening? Instead of 8 hours, the filling pipe is taking to fill this tank 2 hours longer. 2 hours longer means not at 2. So 2 hours means initially 8, 2 hours more. If you have the 8
10.
rupees, if yes,
10 hours.
10 hours. If you have 8 rupees, if I give the more 2 rupees to you, how many rupees can you have? 10 rupees. Similarly, initially 8, due to that, what happening? 10 hours it is taking. 2 hours more, na? 8 plus 2 is equal to 10 hours. Here, one is the what? Filling. Filling means he is a positive, he is the doing work. And another pipe is a B is a leakage pipe. B leakage pipe is what is he doing? B leakage pipe will empty the tank. Empty the tank means one is the positive work, another one is negative. Unmute your voice. One is doing positive work and another one is doing negative work. Then what to do? Your job is same here. 8 1 hours work is 1 by 8. 10 1 hours work is 1 by 10. In between of who? Symbol is minus 1 by 8 minus 1 by 10. 1 by 8 minus 1 by 10. Now find the LCM. 8 comma 10 LCM is 2 table. 2 4s are 2 5s are 5 4s are 20, 22s are 40. Your LCM is 40. In 8 table, where you get the 40? 8 5s are. In 10 table, where you get the 4s are.
10 4.
5 minus 4, 1. 1 by 40. 1 by 40. So it will take that 40 hours of the time if the both pipes work together. Both pipes work అంటే ఏంటిదిరా? అది ఫిల్ చేస్తూ ఉండాలి, ఇది కిందికి పోతుండాలి. So your answer is 40 hours. So take the screenshot. Is that if the cistern is full, the leak will empty it in. So complete tank. If you can finish fill the tank in 10 hours, the entire tank will be leakage will happen in after how many hours? 40 hours. Here the condition is, see that one is filling and another one is what? Empty. అంటే ఈ కండిషన్ లో ఒకటి నింపుతున్నప్పుడు ఒకటి తీసేస్తుంటే ఏం చేయాలి? వన్ ఈజ్ అ పాజిటివ్ కండిషన్ మెంబర్, అనదర్ ఈజ్ నెగిటివ్ కండిషన్ మెంబర్. పాజిటివ్ నెగిటివ్ రెండు ఉన్నప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలి? సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేయాలి. ఫస్ట్ వన్ మైనస్ సెకండ్ వన్. స్క్రీన్ షాట్.
Taken, sir.
Then go for the next question. Question number 48. See the question. One tap can fill a tank in a cistern in 2 hours. One tank. Question number 48. That is take that A can fill a tank in 2 hours. And another can empty in 3 hours. Another can empty. Empty ante endira -3. If both the taps are open simultaneously, the time in hours to fill the tank. Time in hours, same problem, previous one and this one same. Yeah, see the question difference between previous one and this one. Previous one is that what? They are giving only one data. Initially it is taking the 8 hours to empty that, to due to the leakage it will take the 2 hours more. అక్కడ b వాల్యూ 2 తీసుకుంటే ఫస్ట్ ఆప్షన్ ఉంటది, ఈడికి రాగానే నేను సావగొడతా. the 2 hours more, longer 2 hours, longest 2 hours అంటే ఏంది 8 plus 2. కానీ ఇక్కడ ఏమంటుండు, ఒక ట్యాంక్ ఫిల్ చేయడానికి 2 hours అంట, అదే ట్యాంక్ ని ఖాళీ చేయడానికి 3 hours అంట. హియర్ ఇక్కడ యాడ్ చేయాల్సిన అక్కర్లేదు, హియర్ దేర్ ఇస్ నో నీడ్ టు యాడ్. రీడ్ ద క్వశ్చన్ ప్రాపర్.
1/3.
Here is a what? 1/2 minus 1/3, that is the answer. What is the LCM? If the denominator numbers are the successive numbers, then 6 is the LCM. Here is the 3 and here is the 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. 1/6. దీన్ని రివర్స్ కొట్టాలి 6 hours. సార్ నేను క్వశ్చన్ ఇచ్చినప్పుడు ఆన్సర్ చేయమంటే ఈ దాకా రాయాలి, ఇక్కడ దాకా రాసేసి వదిలేస్తారు, లేకపోతే మధ్యలో ఏదో ఎగిర కొడతారు, ఏం చేయకుండా తీసుకొస్తారు. సంపుతా నేను చెప్తున్నా కదా. Take the screenshot fast.
Took, sir.
Then question number 47. A tap can fill a cistern in 8 hours. A tap can fill a cistern in 8 hours. Second, and another can empty in 16 hours. Empty ఇంకోటి తీసేస్తుంది minus 16 hours. If both taps are opened simultaneously, at the what time to fill the tank? Same question. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Both are same. Now
1
same
by 8
question.
minus
1/8 minus 1/16. 8 comma 16 LCM is what? Can you get the 16? LCM. Inali, ikkada inali. Listen here. Take the screenshot, afterwards you copy. Listen. Here 16. In 8 table, where you get the 16? 8 2s are.
8 2s are.
In 16 table, here 16
1s
1s are. 1/16. So here is a what? 16.
16 hours.
This is the answer. Oh, Pramoda. Yes. Take the screenshot.
That took, sir.
Question number 46. Now question number 4. A pump can fill a tank with water in 2 hours. Water తో నింపితే మనకేంది, పెట్రోల్ తో నింపితే మనకేంది, మనకు కావాలి ఆన్సర్, రైట్? And because of the leak it took 2 ఇక్కడ చూడండి
2 1/3, sir.
2 1/3 hours. ఇక్కడ b వాల్యూ కనుక 2 1/3 తీసుకున్నా, if you took the b value is 2 1/3, that is option number 1. Read here. Initially the first question is there, 2 hours longer. So how much it is taking the extra? 2 hours extra. Total how many? 10 hours. Similarly, here is what he telling that 2 hours to fill the tank. To empty the tank is 2 1/3 hours it will take. Okay.
2 hours 20 minutes.
Yes, 2 hours 20 minutes. Here is a what? How much time is extra he is taking?
20 minutes.
So b value is not a 2 1/3. B value is 20 minutes. That is nothing but 1/3 hours. In terms of hours is how much? 1/3 hours. Understood? And what they are telling, see that question. Where is that? The leak can drain all the water of the tank. Drain means what? Drain means తీసేయడం. To empty it. To empty it means what? This is the minus value and this is the plus value. Now do it. 1/2. This is in hours by 1 minus 1 by Actually, this is 1 by 3. But what to do? We have to do that what? By again. Na? So this will goes as a numerator. Then denominator is what? 3 by 1. So LCM is 2. Here is
Sir,
our,
they divided it, sir.
sorry,
They divided it, sir. 1 by.
why I did the divide. Very good. Here actually 2 is there. So if the 2 is there, then what can I write? 1 by 2 or not? So
Yes, sir.
whatever the numbers are there, what I am doing, just I am writing 1 by that number. Yes. Similarly,
Okay.
here also the ours is time. This is time. What to do? I have to do by the 1 by something, right? So
Yes.
1 by, here what is the number? 1 by 3.
1 by 3.
So if it is goes in numerator or not? Yes, that is become
Yes, sir.
3 by 1. That is
3 by 1.
now look at the question. Answer. This is minus 5 by 4. Time either may be the 0 or it can goes on. But time, can you give the negative? Time value,
No,
can
sir.
you? No, time can't be the negative. So just leave it the negative symbol and keep the answer is 5 by 4. Time work can't be in the negative 5 by 4. But your option is can't be a 5 by 4. Convert into the mixed fraction. 1 by 4 is the answer.
Yes, sir.
Then copy it.
Sir, for me not understand, sir. This
Which one, sir?
1 by 3, that one how like came, sir.
ఎస్ సీనన్న ఆయన ఏమంటుండంటే ఒక ట్యాంక్ నింపడానికి 2 అవర్స్ పడుతుందంట టైం. అదే ట్యాంకుని లీకేజ్ ఉండడం వల్ల వాడు నింపాలి అంటే 2 అవర్స్ 1/3 అవర్ 1/3 అవర్స్ పడుతుందంట. లీకేజ్ ఉండడం వల్ల మామూలు లీకేజ్ లేకపోతేనేమో 2 అవర్స్లో ఫిల్ చేస్తాడు. లీకేజ్ ఉంటేనేమో లీకేజ్ ఉండడం వల్ల ఏం చేస్తుండు 1/3 అవర్స్లో ఫిల్ చేస్తుండు. అంటే ఇప్పుడు ఇదేమో 2 అవర్స్ 1/3 అంటే ఏంది 2 అవర్స్ 20 మినిట్స్ అని అర్థం. మామూలుగా ఈ ట్యాంక్ని 2 అవర్స్లో ఫిల్ చేస్తాడు. ఇప్పుడు లీక్ ఉండడం వల్ల ఎంత టైం ఎక్స్ట్రా తీసుకున్నది 20 మినిట్స్ ఎక్స్ట్రా. ఆ 20 మినిట్స్ ని అవర్స్ లో చెప్పాలంటే ఏం చేయాలి 20/16 0 క్యాన్సల్ 2 1s 2 3s అంటే మనకి ఇక్కడ వచ్చింది ఏంటిది 1/3 అవర్స్. ఇదే 1/3. కానీ మనం దాన్ని ఏం రాయాలి ఉన్న ప్రతి వాల్యూని 1/, రాయాలా లేదా? అట్లానే దీన్ని కూడా 1/, రాసినాను 1/1/3 రాసినాను. ఈ 3 పైకి వచ్చింది. Yes. Next question. Take the screenshot. Now clear, Hemachandran? Yes, Hemachandran.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, 5/2, no, sir.
Sorry, 5/2. Okay. Yeah, this is 5/2. So this is 1/2 hours. Very good. 1/2 hours is the answer. Sorry, this is wrong. Instead of 2, I wrote that word 4. Then question number 45. Pipes A and B can fill a tank in 5 hours, 6 hours respectively. Here see the question number, another model. A and B, and A can fill a tank in 5 hours and B can fill a tank in 6 hours. They are filling the tank or not? Yes, they are filling means plus values. If anyone
Sir,
doing
1/5 plus 1/6 minus 1/12, sir.
yes, that's the answer. And the pipe C can, another pipe C also is there, and it is what you see pipe C is doing, can empty. Pipe C is ఏం చేస్తుందిరా ఉన్న ట్యాంక్ ని ఫిల్ చేసిన ట్యాంక్ ని ఎంప్టీ చేస్తుంది. ఎంప్టీ మీన్స్ మైనస్. If all the 3 pipes are open together, then the tank will be filled in. So nothing is there. 1/5 plus 1/6 minus 1/12.
Minus 1/12.
Then find the 5, 6, 12 LCM. LCM ఎట్లా చేయాలి 5, 6,
12.
12.
12.
LCM 6 టేబుల్ తీసుకోండి 5 1 2 అండ్ ఇక్కడ మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే 5 టేబుల్ 5 1 1 2 2 into 5 10 into 6 60 LCM ఎంత 60
60.
మ్యూట్ లో పెట్టాలి ఎవ్రీబడి మ్యూటెడ్ నెక్స్ట్ 1 by 5 into LCM is 60 in 5 table where you get the 60 12 5s are 60 plus in 6 table where you get the 60 6 10s are 12 table 12 5s are here next job is what add these numbers 12 plus 10 22 22 minus 5 22 minus 5 is how much 17 17 by 60 దీన్ని ఏం చేయాలి what to do this just reverse it now convert it to the normal fraction mixed fraction 17 table 17 3s are 57 right 17 3s are 57 and 51
51, sir.
17 3s are 51 remainder is how much 9 by 17 this is the answer these model questions are important whatever the questions are there these are the very important afterwards you do your wish చదువుతారా లేదా అనేది మీ ఇష్టం చదివితే సీట్ వస్తుంది లేకపోతే నవోదయ ఎవరికి రాదు నాకు కూడా రాలేదని చెప్పుకోండి ఏం ప్రమోద్
Sir.
next question which question 44 question number 44 pipe A can fill in 5 hours A 5 hours fill అంటే plus pipe B in 10 hours pipe B in 10 hours fill చేస్తుండు and pipe C in 30 hours C in ఎంత
Fill, sir. Fill, sir.
sorry
Fill doing, sir. Pipe C.
if you have the papers see in papers if not see in the mobile question
Sir, B కింద +10 ఉందా సార్
ఫిల్ చేస్తున్నా +10 pipe A can fill a tank in 5 hours pipe B in 10 hours pipe C in 30 hours if all the pipes are open in how many hours can the tank is filled similar the question previous one what is that A can do a work in 5 days B can in 10 days C can in 30 days if they all work together in how many days they can finish it so 1 by 5 1 by 10 plus 1 by 30 LCM 5 comma 10 LCM is 10 10 comma 30 LCM is 30 in 5 table 30 5 6 are 10 table 10 3s are 30 table 1s are numerator is 10 by 30 equals to 3 hours if they work together 3 pipes they can fill the tank in 3 hours then the next question
Sir, 3 hours okay, sir.
దీన్ని రివర్స్ కొట్టమ్మా 30 by 10 ఇప్పుడు దాకా అదే చెప్పిన వీడికి రాగానే ఏం చేయాలి రివర్స్ చేయాలి
Okay, sir.
Next question number 43. Question number 43. A cistern can be filled by a tap in 4 hours. A in 4 hours, while it can be emptied by the another tap in and 9 hours. ఇంకో ట్యాప్ ఉందంటే అది ఖాళీ చేస్తుంది అంటే ఏం చేయాలి -9 hours. If both taps work simultaneously, then after how much time will be the cistern get filled? అంటే ఏం చేయాలి వాడు ఏమైనా చెప్పుకొని మనకు సంబంధం లే 1/4 minus 1/9. 9, 4 LCM ఎంత 9 4s are 36. Here 9, here 4. 4 minus 9 minus 4 5. 5/36. దీన్ని రివర్స్ కొట్టండి 36/5. 5 టేబుల్లో క్యాన్సిల్ చేస్తే మిక్స్డ్ ఫ్రాక్షన్ 5 7s are 35. Remainder 1/5. This is the answer. Only one step. I am not taking the too much time. I am taking for every question less than 1 minute to explain. If you take the more less than 1 minute, then you will get the Navodaya seat. If not, నీకు రాలే నవోదయ నాకు రాలే పేపర్ టఫ్ అని చెప్పుకొని తిరగండి. వస్తుందా రాదా నవోదయ సీటు? Yeah, see, here the question is easy, Nana. The question is, okay, okay. The remaining questions I can explain at tomorrow's class. A, B, C can do a piece of work in 6 and 8, 12 days respectively. If they work together and here when they will give the payment, the problem based on the payment, that total all the 3 members they got the payment is how much 1800. So what they are, if they are they may ask that what is the A payment, what is the B payment, what is the C payment, how to get the payment it. So before to find the payment of the individual, write the problem in the ratio of condition. This is the ratio. Now these 3 are equal even numbers. Even numbers can be cancelled in what table? 2 table. Cancel the 2 table. 2 3s are, 2 4s are, 2 6s are. Afterwards anything is possible. You have to cancel all the numbers in the same table. Cancel all the numbers in same table. So 3 there is no possible. 3 and 4 will goes but 4 will not goes. Similarly 4 6 goes in 2 table but not 3. So stop the problem. They are asking whose money? What is B share? What is the B value here? 8. Write the 8 in the, sorry. What is the B value? 4. Write the 4 as a numerator. In denominator is add these 3 numbers. 3 plus 4 7. 7 plus 6 13 into 180. 1800, right? Now multiply it, cancel this is in 13 table 13 ones are 13, 18 minus 13 5 50, and what table 18 13 fours are 52, so 13 threes are 39, 50 minus 39 is how much? 11, 110. Yes, now in 13 table can you get the 110? 39s are 117, so 13 8s are approx 138 point something. So you take the 138, then multiply these numbers. 4 8s are 32, 4 3s are 12, 12 plus 3 15, 1 carry, 4 1s are 4 plus 1 5. 552 is a share of the person B. In another way is a what? Write the from, if you not understood this, then come from here only. Write the first number whose share they are asking by, add all the numbers. This is what? 12. 12 plus 8 20, 20 plus 6 26. Then do the simplification, you will get same answer.